Model, 2012 Land Rover Discovery HSE spares OR repairs. Body, grey 4x4. Mileage, 120016. MOT, 28 August 2024. Engine, 2993 cc 3.0 LTS DV6C. Transmission, automatic four-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurising. Automatic gearbox all good, shows no fault codes. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999.